going to take my hearing aid for the left ear, and I'm going to hang it over my ear like so. Make sure it's behind there. And I'm going to take the receiver and it goes up into my ear canal like so, and then I'm going to stick my finger in there and make sure it's going up all the way like so, and that feels about right. The tube is right next to my head and this is in place, so I must have done it right.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
We're going to put in the hearing aid for the right ear because it's red on the side, and I'm going to put that up over my ear like so. And the loop should come down here. I'm going to take that receiver and put it in my ear canal a little bit. Should go toward my nose. And then I'm going to check and make sure that this is close to my head. And if it is, I'm in all the way.
Beautiful.